Well, I saw your question on discussion board. I decided to do it with StatCrunch. And the red blood cell counts in millions of cells per microliter for a population of adult males be approximately normal with a mean of 5.3 million. So StatCrunch, I put 5.3 in for the mean, and a standard deviation of zero point 0.4. So I'll put that in here. Then you want to answer two questions. I guess you're asking about Part B. So I'm going to use StatCrunch. If you go into StatCrunch, click on if you click on the stats pull down menu and then calculator, and you want to choose the normal calculator. So I put in the mean standard deviation given, and so the key here, we want the bottom 15%. And so it's a little different than some others. You want less than, and you put 0.15. This area's 15% or 0.15, and you want to find this score here. So you put in these three values to 0.15. You click compute, and it gives you this number here, which is what you're after. You want to round it to 2 decimal places. Rounds to 4.89. Okay, hope this helps.